Hi guys, welcome to my channel Unlimited Shades of Innovation. In this video, let's see how we can make beautiful planters out of old plastic or metal boxes. So I have taken these three boxes. I have actually purchased these online and after using it for like 6 months, I found that they are not airtight anymore. So I'm just trying to reuse it to make beautiful planters. So here if you see, I have just painted one side of these boxes with matte black, and in order to color these boxes, I'm using acrylic paint spray. So I'm going to mention the links for each and every product that I'm using. You can just check the description box to get these details. And I'm using a heart shape paper and I'm holding it this way, and I have painted it with metallic gold to create a beautiful pattern. So guys, one important thing that we need to do before we start painting is that try to spread old newspaper or any cardboard sheet first on the floor, and then place your planter on it and try to spray, because once it is painted, the paint doesn't really leave the surface. So be careful while you're trying to spray it with acrylic paint spray. So guys, this is the final look, and I got these three beautiful planters. As you can see, I have added crystal stickers to the planter to enhance the look, and I have even added few pebble stones in it. So they turned out to be really so cool. And guys, please let me know how you like this video, and please do mention your comments in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. And guys, if you really like it, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. Guys, happy crafting. Do something creative every day. Bye-bye.